The Moto X series isn't what it used to be. Since Lenovo's acquisition of Motorola's smartphone business, the once high-end Moto X lineup has been demoted to a mid-range ranking, overtaken by the Z series as the Moto brand's top smartphone selection. But this year's Moto X4 has intrigued us nonetheless. In a nutshell, it is a mid-range handset with premium looks, one that just barely eclipses the G series spec sheet, but stands out with its fancy construction, dual camera setup, and IP68 water resistance. It currently costs $350 unlocked on Motorola's website, $325 from Google with Android One software and Project Fi service, or $280 on Amazon as the Prime exclusive phone with lock screen ads. But is any of these Moto X4 flavors actually worth getting? In the box. Moto X4. USB-C to USB turbocharger. Quick start guides and warranty info. Call quality. The earpiece on the X4 gets satisfyingly loud whether it's used as the earpiece or loudspeaker. It is, after all, the same speaker. Our callers had no complaints hearing us, and we had no issue hearing them. Conclusion. Motorola's traditionally done a pretty good job of giving us fun, unique devices, even as they've transitioned to new ownership under Google, and subsequently Lenovo. The Moto X4 is no exception. It may lack 18:9 display or bezel-less design, but this feels less significant on the Moto X4, not just because it's an affordable mid-range phone, but also because its Moto styling gives it character of its own. At the end of the day, what we have here is a phone that won't break any performance benchmark record, yet stands out with its solid build quality, cool appearance, decent camera, and water-resistant construction. At the price points the Moto X4 can be currently bought, we're hard-pressed to find many devices we like more.